stiff these past couple of days, so I figured some yoga was appropriate. Relax, wind down. And then I remember there's a lot quicker way to wind down and relax. So, we're going to Sephora. I swear the logic was there. I don't think I mentioned in my previous vlogs why I was in Italy. So I was in Italy for a summer course program at the school Fidi. Each week we had a project, and this week's project was a stop motion based on 2 words, or just one, and the word I picked was allergies, because they have been kicking my butt ever since I landed.
So now what do you want me to do?
Like stay still, like, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Anyways, so I've realized that I need to take advantage of how nice the city is at night. So I'm going out now, going out at night more. Anyway, so I'm going out more at night, but not by myself, with like a group of friends or somebody, because the city is very pretty. I need to take advantage of it. I don't feel like I've been taking full advantage, or like, okay, so the past couple weeks I've been chill, going doing stuff here and there. But now I got a couple weeks left to kind of go for it. So I'm gonna straighten up for a bit, hang with my friend, go meet up with my friend, and we're gonna meet up with some classmates, go for dinner. Yesterday I found tacos, which was very interesting. Like, we were gonna get sushi, but they were full, so we got tacos. And now I don't know where this place is at. So let's see. This is my microphone now. I said I want this kitchen right here, this kitchen area, to be my go-to, like in the morning, set my bag up, like for me to grab something. But it has not been it at all. If anything, there's just bags that I use to separate trash and still my tea. Like, it hasn't quite been what I thought it was going to be. Living here has taught me that I need a table, like a desk, when I get a place. Like, I need somewhere to put all of my like electronics, because it's not working. Like, it's a no. Like, honestly, I was just snacking on something, something like that. But it's a no. I don't know what's going on at this table. Like, we got my electronics, we have my art stuff. This shouldn't even be here. Why was this here? Is this here? Okay, okay. This is the outfit. Chunky outfit. With some black shoes, of course, but this is the outfit right now. Bucket hat, some sheer top, shorts, and oh my god, a memory card's full. We're gonna have to fast forward a couple of days. Today is Friday, and it's a holiday. Can we get that?
You can.
Some friends and I decided to get some pizza and go down by the river to watch the fireworks. They were pretty far, but I just loved that spot so much, so that's where we went. Today's beach day. I wanted to be busy, like explore, enjoy every single moment, like every day. And I've been doing that, and I've been tired. Today is beach day again. It's also my friend's birthday. So she wanted to go to the beach. A couple masks. So it's another beach Saturday. I have my mask. I just got done packing my backpack. I got a new backpack. Turn my slides off so fast. I got a new backpack because I didn't like my other one. It's too much. The bag before is way too much. So I got this one from this brand. I got this bag from this, and I wanted, of course, a yellow one, but I have a lot of yellow as it is. And I wanted to change it up a bit, so I got this green to match my shorts. And I need to pack my mask. What else do I need to pack? My clothes I want to change to, my potential if I want to change into them. The only reason I probably change into these if I want to take pictures, like I don't want to be in my swimsuit the entire time for that. So I have my towel, that's pretty much the whole entire like heavy big bulk. I have my ladies patch just in case. We have like band-aids and stuff. This has like just the basic person needs. I probably would have my chapstick. My lotion, Aleve, my lactate medicine, because I'm pretty sure I want gelato, and some deodorant. Okay. The next is some wipes, sanitized wipes, sunscreen, of course. Water, which I'm probably gonna go buy another water, a bigger one, like those really big ones. Actually, I have one in my fridge. No, I'm gonna buy one. In the front pouch, you have safety, sanitizer, a portable charger, and a mask, and chapstick. I really want to pack my camera, but I think I'm gonna be in the water more, and not for sure if who's actually gonna watch our stuff. So, the shirt is pretty large though. Let's see if that fits. I really want to pack jeans in this oversized tee. That's what I really want to do. Wear that with the jean. But I don't want to bring a lot of like bulk inside of my bag. I already got a towel. I noticed the towels are usually what takes up all my space in my bags. Yeah. The towels, so the sleeves are a little wet, so let's see how this goes. Just a little bit. I could just wear this out and about. A part of me doesn't even want to put this on, but a part of me wants pictures. Or just buy a shirt. No, I cannot. I don't want to buy a shirt. I mean, I could just wear it because it's pretty hot. It's gonna be hot, like it's sunny, and just wear the shorts on the way home or something.
Ignition sequence start. 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I packed a quick dress. Fun fact, I actually brought some slides with me that actually match this whole attire. Super cute, right? So uncomfortable to walk in after a while. So now I have these. That's just meant for the beach now. Because there's sand in them, so now it's definitely for the beach. My friends and I finally made it to the beach and made some core memories. One of my favorite days of the entire trip was definitely this day. I did end up leaving my camera at home that day. I was so scared that something was going to happen to it. But nevertheless, I was still able to capture some memories. Do you remember when I said it was my friend's birthday?
Hey, Benji, come here. Let me put my foot here. Hold on. Okay, we'll just start singing now. Happy birthday, she'll hear us, to you.
Okay, she said.
Happy birthday to you. Sing with me. Happy birthday to. Just continue. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Where is
She's over there paying.
Silvana?
She's over here.
Silvana, come quick.
She's trying to pay. I was wondering what's going on. Yeah, definitely an unforgettable day. Happy birthday, Silvana.